Today we laminated the last pieces, and I will take you through the process because it's quite complex and we figured out this process during this year.
Hi, je bent bij Allplast hier in Tolen. Wij zijn een bedrijf actief op het gebied van composieten, maar ook kogelwerend materiaal in transparante materialen, maar met name ook composieten. We maken diverse producten voor de industrie, maar ook voor defensie, gebaseerd op vezels.
So we started by applying the last layer of release agent to make sure the product will loosen after it has been cured. We will cut the sheet in pieces so that it fits perfectly into the corners and there's no stress into the sheet. After applying the first layer, we will continue to other layers and we will rotate the layers by 45 degrees. We also made some overlaps on the sides to make sure the product can be lifted out on the sides to put something as a knife or a screwdriver underneath. So before we put it in the autoclave, we put a permeable foil over the product to make sure that leftover resin is getting out of the product. There is a vacuum pulled, and then we close the vacuum bag by making a big plastic bag covered with tacky tape. And then it goes into the autoclave by creating the vacuum plus extra 5 bars we use to push the product even more into the mold and make sure the product is made thinner. After we have cut the bag, we have to put a lot of effort into the product to pull it out of the mold because it has been cured over 5 bar and it's quite stuck into the mold after you put that pressure on it. And then after it's cured, we will post-process it. So by drilling holes into desired areas, for example for the air ducts we will make later on, but also to finish the borders or where there are imperfections, make sure there is a sort of paste that we put on and then polish that to make sure it can be painted afterwards. After today we will take the products to the future factory to post-process it over there to take a carefully look to where we have to cut, make sure that all panels are seamlessly covered and overlap in the right directions.
After the creation of our bodywork, it naturally needs to be painted. For this, we turn to our partner Bruinenberg Car Design. Based in Enschede, they specialize in damage repair and have been important in giving our bodywork a new color. EST red, of course. Before painting, the bodywork must first be sanded to ensure a smooth surface. Any imperfections are then filled and the primer coat is applied. Once the primer has dried, the painting process can begin, transforming the bodywork with the vibrant red color. To ensure that the Superbike gets EST red, they have to mix the perfect set of colors to ensure they get the right one. As the bodywork is painted, the actual look of our Superbike starts to come to life. The expertise and hard work by Bruinenberg Car Design ensures that our vision is perfectly realized. Next, the journey took us to Kaatsheuvel, where our partner WrapMyRide is located. The company specialized in vehicle wrapping. They eagerly took on the challenge of wrapping a Superbike. After collaborating with them to finalize delivery as a flat out, they started printing and applying the stickers. Within 3 days it was completed and we could pick up the motorcycle. The transformation of our Superbike from concept to reality was a remarkable experience. Thanks to the hard work of Allplast, Bruinenberg Car Design and WrapMyRide, the final product exceeded our expectations. Their help and skills brought our vision to life, resulting in a stunning high-quality bodywork that stands out on and off track.